Alright, so I got the new exhaust installed. It is the MBRP catback system for the Silverado. So gonna reset the MPG, and then we'll start our 15-mile drive again, and then we'll see if there's an improvement or negative miles per gallon. MBRP states that you're supposed to gain 1 to 2 miles per gallon with this exhaust. So we'll see if that's true. Alright, so finished the 15-mile drive. The ending miles per gallon was 18.9 by the time I got the camera rolling again. Dropped 0.1. So that was 19.1 when that was with the stock exhaust system, and then it was 19.8 with the resonator delete, and then 18.9 with the new exhaust system. So it's minus 0.2 miles per gallon for the new exhaust from the stock exhaust. So yeah, but the exhaust sounds great though. Definitely a lot deeper sounding than the stock, so I enjoy it, and if it's only 0.2 minus, I think it's worth it. And again, this is only just a 15-mile drive, so and I'll go outside real quick so y'all can hear the exhaust. Alright, so this is the exhaust itself, the MBRP. So yeah, it's all just a bolt-on system here, so pretty easy to install. It goes all the way up to the catalytic converter. And that's the tip for it. But yeah, a lot deeper than the stock exhaust. I'll go ahead and rev it a little bit for you. So yeah, that is it. Hope you liked the video. Like I said, something different than, the normal reviews and all that. But I figured this would be a good little science project.